How to fix Cash App. Won't let me request money. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me request money. First, make sure you either go to the App Store or the Play Store and check if the Cash App mobile application needs to be updated and update it. This can sometimes fix the issue because the issue can be because using an outdated version of the app. Next, if that does not fix the issue, make sure you open the settings of your phone. This is the settings page, as you can see. After that, scroll down and come to this section here named General. On this page, you will see the general settings of the phone. From there, scroll down a little bit and tap this option here named iPhone Storage. This page appears where you will see all the different apps installed on your device. Next, scroll down a little bit and tap here, Show All. This will show you a list of all the apps on your device. From there, make sure you scroll through the list and look for the Cash App on it. As you can see, here it is. Make sure you tap on it. This other page will appear. The page has two options. You can either delete the app and install it, or you can offload it and then get it back. You can try both methods and see if that will fix the issue. If, after doing all that, there is no change, then exit this page and open the Cash App mobile application. This is the home page of the app. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. Once you are here, you have to scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you come to the bottom of the page. Here, there are several options. From those options, make sure you tap the option named Support. The page will start loading. Make sure you tap on it. This is the support page of the Cash App. Here, there are several options that you can use to manage and find solutions to issues you face on the app. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one named Chat. It is found under the Contact Us option. The page will start loading. Make sure you wait for it. This is the feedback page of Cash App. Here, you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. After that, send them the message. Give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me request money.